In the last episode we said goodbye to our friends, fueled up in Turkey and sailed over to Greece.
We are in Greece.
Today we arrive in Pserimos and then continue to explore the Dodecanese Islands, with the highlight definitely being the hidden natural swimming pool of Lipsi Island. Join us for episode 42. In 2022 we sold our house and quit our job to sail around the world. We started in Cyprus and then moved north to Turkey, where we are exploring the south coast. Follow our journey around the world as we slowly keep on moving westwards. Well, we made it to Kos, we provisioned in Kos, we had the transit log signed and new stock supplies. We can now discover the islands north of Kos. So we're going to Pserimos first. And the whole week the winds are northwest, Meltemi. So we chose today to just motor 2 hours right into it and into the waves and wind to get to Pserimos, and then we are in a nice secluded bay. Because tomorrow the headwinds are even stronger, the day after slightly lighter again, and then we can even get further. So yeah, at some point you have to bite the bullet and go. And that looks like this. Yeah, so that's Kos behind us already that we're saying goodbye to. And in front, looking at Pserimos, about 3.7 miles to go. We should be in a nice sheltered bay. Should be good. Top of Pserimos. So you get to the island, and then one of the things I always feel I have to do is climb the hill. Climb to the top. It's a good workout, it's fun, and it's always a beautiful view. Plus you never know if there's paragliding potential, right? Very rocky here though. But look at the views. Right, we're passing Kalymnos from Pserimos. The names are so strange to me, and we had a stop by Plati just now. I think Plati. Anyways, still enjoying is the main thing, and still into headwinds is another thing. We need an engine, but at least we got a head sail up too. And yeah, we're thinking about staying put somewhere for the night. So maybe the island we see in front there, or maybe a bay on the mainland of, well, mainland, on the actual island of Kalymnos. Nice and windy. Just a shame it's against us, right? Well, last couple of miles are really into 20 knot headwinds directly, but we can soon bear off, turn into the bay, and it'll be calm again, and hopefully there is space for us. We're back on the move again, off to Telendos Island today. It's only 5 miles away from our last stop, which was like an intermediate place near the Kefala caves on Kalymnos. I think Kefala it's called. I'll have to check. And yeah, still nice, actually spectacular scenery. I'll show you right now. And it's a northwesterly track, so directly into the Meltemi wind, which is not that strong today. We've just been overtaken by Petit Loup, smaller monohull sailboat. Looks very nice. But yeah, we're doing 3.5 knots, and it's enough really, because with this swell, this makes a really nice motion. I think if we go faster, we start slamming a little bit, and kids doing the homework as well, so you want to make it nice and comfy for them. It's nice. And then we'll be at the Telendos Island. It should be nice to walk around there and hopefully buy some drinking water. Run out of that. Well, we've got like 5 liters left. And that's it. Maybe bread. And explore more. And next to Telendos is where we stayed for the next 2 nights. We took some dinghy trips to the beaches on Kalymnos, and on day 3 it was time to move again. And we are leaving Telendos. It was very nice, 1 night there and like 2 days, maybe 1.5 days. Beautiful. Would have loved to walk around the island. Apparently there's paths all around. Look at that, that's impressive, right? I don't think it will take you to the top, but maybe some other time. Bye Telendos.
veel te nemen.
Right, this little crossing has been really good. The wind was going to be a headwind anyway in terms of direction, but very light in the morning and quite strong in the afternoon, 15 knots, maybe slightly more. And it looks like we're just turning into Leros, into Lakki, the bay, just before this wind here hits us. You see that on this view here. You can see the darker color of the water, that's where the wind starts. And so far it's been like zero wind, it's just amazing. So nice, very happy with that. Just put the bridle and we're just wind vaning with the wind, and then all good. Only 6 meters deep, nice and shallow, good holding. We tested it. Super. Can explore Lakki. We just passed Leros Airport. Don't even see any single airplane. Nothing happening here. That'll be nice and quiet schedule. Might be a good job for me there. And during the last few miles of that trip, we picked up a beautiful light breeze on these flat waters. Perfect to get some drone shots while on the move. So we've just arrived on the small islands just to the southwest of Lipsi. There's this amazing natural pool here that you can swim in. You can either dive underneath those rocks or you can walk alongside and then jump in. Very cool place, just amazing. But it's a very blustery day, so we probably feel a bit too scared to do it. And I'm the only one that can steer the boat. You cannot anchor here, so I'm gonna have to stay on the boat anyway. But yeah, but it's beautiful to see it, even that. The little pool is just behind that rock there. Maybe I'll fly the drone, I'm not sure yet, but it's very windy. So again, that's a little risky. So this is cool. Julian's checking out the birds, trying to take photos, see what she can find. And I'm just trying to keep the boat away from the rocks. The chart is not accurate here, so we'll just have to look at the water and see. Looks pretty deep here, but yeah, it's interesting. There you go, that was pretty cool. We did it. Flew the drone, so happy with that. Now I'd love to swim there, but that seems a bit too scary. It's a blustery day, it's windy. Showing above 20 knots at times, so yeah. Oh well, you need the weather for this too. And the Meltem is blowing almost every day, so no worries. This was cool to have the footage. In the next couple of hours we crossed over to Patmos in a nice northerly breeze. And the next few days we spent exploring the island of Patmos. Until we got a phone call from Grandma saying that she would arrive on Samos the next morning. In the following episode we sail over to Samos and explore the next beautiful Greek island together on our sailing catamaran Roxy. And yes, we are on our way from Patmos to Samos. Should be fun.